Katie.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah, you got it.
Nice. That was a good one.
That is the silver food.
Where's Kinder?
Supposed to be finding a place to park.
Oh, they even let her off early?
Yeah.
Speaking of fully extended, love the music. Oh, this shit's gonna freeze tonight.
Yeah, it's gonna be crappy. I don't know, I expected her to beat me here.
Huh?
I expected her to beat me here.
Well, she told me like 15 minutes ago she was on her way, but work told me if we're going to open tomorrow, that even if we open late, they'll pay me double if I'll go in there at 8:30. I was like,
I bet she drove by here and saw that all these things are wrapped up. They're not letting people park on the street right now, are they?
Probably.
I wonder why. So she
going to freeze.
So she probably swung back around to my place to park. What do you think about them apples?
I love them apples.
You should put that in your pipe and smoke it.
My what? Facebook?
Put that in your pipe and smoke it. I got a meeting at 4:45, so I can't stay.
You really?
Yeah.